What's up guys, today we are doing the Twisted Tornadoes. So yeah, a bit hailing out here. So I'm sorry we're doing it on a different game. My private server ran out and I'm skint at the moment, so I can't renew it, if you get what I mean. So we are going to be in a Titus in a high risk day. I think this thing is 100% going to get lofted. This is its stats if you want to see them. What I just said, 5 miles per hour max. I was going to use the Dominator too, but only 10 miles per hour higher. Not much of a difference. Let's get chasing. So it actually looks like there's already one mate possibly on the ground here. Yeah, I usually play this game for fun because every single time, for some reason, this thing has not survived a tornado in ages. That's strong. So it used to be, because like, it used to be able to withstand like strong tornadoes at Earth's threshold and keep me alive. But lately, it's been showing its age a bit. Because I brought this probably about a year ago, and the Dominator 2 from about 5-6 months ago. So the Dominator 2 is quite more recent. So this thing's starting to show its age right here. We have cameras, like let's speed forward. We have an IMAX camera. Where's that? I think we can actually, oh, it's right to the side of us. This is the IMAX camera, what I was talking about. I might as well do it while now, as I'm waiting for the storm. So, it's basically like this 360-degree camera. What a photo shot of that. Just a touchdown. Such a good moment there. Alright, let's get this thing back how it used to be, and that might actually be coming our way. I might try and intercept this now, see if this thing could actually survive a tornado that hasn't been ages. Alright, I'm gonna go down south a bit. I'm gonna try and intercept this as I'm weak, because I think we're gonna fly later on. Well, I hope we get a good tornado, like hopefully this one. This thing is rapidly approaching our area here. These power lines are probably going to snapping off like a twig. Right, I'm going to go a bit more forwards. Yeah, I don't know where I'm going. If you hear me sizzling, I have hay fever as I'm filming. Alright, yeah, it's alright. I'm gonna try and intercept this as power flashes. I don't know where to go. Give me an update. Wow. I think it's basically full force. I might want to move a bit more forward though. Can the thing just hurry up and come at me? It's saying it's crossed this road when it hasn't even crossed the road. Alright, I might want to go a bit backwards now. it'll knock down one of these windmills. I was knocking down the power flashes and trees. Oh, I thought I was just getting ripped apart. There's twins! Recorded! This is an insane event. I'm getting it on camera. Nah. Let's get this thing dropped down. Nah, this is an insane event. We might get in, I don't know though. It might just go just behind me. Or it might hit me. With power flashes. We're gonna watch these power lines go in a second. Oh well, hopefully. Power flashes. We're inside of it right now. Yeah, we are. Oh, we're getting a wee bit. A wee. Oh, it's strengthening. Well, we're in the core. Oh, and these power lines will be able to go soon. Never mind. We're getting around 100 miles per hour. There's 2 tornadoes, bro. This is a twin tornado event. Right, guys, I need to go very slow down. Actually, I'm gonna make an attack drive through. Hold on. No! Just driving. 120. Hey, we escaped. Yeah, I'm gonna try and make it quick. Just gonna hit the spawn check. Damn it. Charlie. Drive, only Tage and drive. Oh, that bomb. This thing's weakening out now. Not a great tornado, there is twin tornado. I'm just going straight away with the boy. This is a rare event though, there is 2 tornadoes at once. Where's that tornado even go? Yeah, the tornado. Well, I hope the other one becomes stronger than this for you guys. I'm saving up for the TIF 2. The episode where I got the TIF 2 is just gonna... It might be actually maybe episode 8. So there's gonna be 8 episodes in this season. I'm gonna go for this new tornado. So there's gonna be 8 episodes on this season. And I might do a bit more grinding. So the final episode I have the TIF 2. Because that will be quite an aura farming mode. Or it'll be quite nice. And I feel like you guys will like that. And yeah. So the next episode we will probably begin the Dominator 2. And then episode 3 we might be back in the Titus again, or the Dominator 2. Or maybe in the TIF 1. Let's just say I think we're gonna go flying in that, bro. That thing can only withstand like an EF3, bro. Or very low end EF4. We will instantly get lofted within the first 2 seconds. I can't even see this thing. I'm surprised this Bonnie didn't get look at us, like right in the path of it. Let's try. Oh yeah, I can see it a bit now. It's not dropped down yet. I'm thinking about. Yeah, it hasn't even dropped down yet. Wait, what? Drop down. Bro, if that thing's a tornado. Yeah, I say we're just gonna park here and wait here for it. Whoa, what was that? Something just flickered on. You can actually see it a bit in the distance, like. Hey guys, if this isn't a good first episode, I will probably do another episode with Titus, because I want to try and push this thing to its limit, like I've done multiple occasions before. Someone please edit this and put and then just make the scene of the end scene of the Titus where it gets slotted happen, please. This thing's already been pushed to its limits before. Saying that, if you guys will ask, how is this thing still alive when you crash this movie? It's a game, okay? You're not going to see this being driven around in real life. If someone puts a clip of someone driving it in real life, I swear to God. Wait, I think it's on the ground. Because I keep spamming it. I don't know what to do. Because we need a strong tornado. If this goes in the way what I'm thinking it's going, like from where it is now up to this Mesonet station, maybe I can intercept it on this road here, or maybe this road heading up to Roxbury. Wait. This thing needs to strengthen. Oh, it's there. Let's go try and get a Titus intercept. Wait, nah. How is there no good tornadoes? Oh, yeah, I just realised the windshield is not water. That's why. Because the windshield lost its power. Who said that, bro? That is not nice. Alright, can it stop healing, for goodness sake? Oh, okay. Okay, strengthening a bit. This thing's giving us two different TVS's. One's giving us green, and then the other's giving us yellow. I'm gonna trust the yellow one. It is more closer to it. I'm gonna go for an intercept down this road. This actually got hit by the tornado before. Oh my god. This thing has to be so weak. This is probably not gonna even get posted. If it does, you are the lucky few who have seen it getting posted. Oh crap! Drive! Get inside of this thing. Yeah, we're gonna have the most weakest intercept of all time. How did I miss that? How? Am I just generally bad at the game? Yeah, guys, this is probably not even gonna get posted. I probably am actually gonna stop recording. But I will for a bit, because why not? Just in case we see something else randomly happen. Bro, please. Just turn massive and strong. We need a strong tornado. We tornado over there. Well, everyone can see that I was the agent. Of course, I know that. I wanna actually see this thing strengthening. I feel like it's strengthening a bit. I don't know. It's just not strengthening. Wait. When I drove down this road, this was not slab before. It hit here. The tornado did, I think, as it was red TBS. So it was actually EFI. And we missed it. Okay, I feel so sad right now. But how? I don't get it. Because those power lines went down. Like these are. Oh yeah, this is when it was here. Well, this was where it was red TBS. Yeah, it actually just shredded the bomb. And then I turned up that road getting intercepted. How did I not notice that on the way back? And there's a secondary tornado heading right for it. I'm not even going to exploit this one. I just need the money, so. Right, let's place like that. You bloody joking me? Okay, now this. Oh my god! Am I sure this is weak? Okay, well, whatever, it's still quite weak to be fair. There's a tornado hitting a murderer, if I think right now. Well, it's about to, I'm gonna see if I can rush down there if it even lets me in my darn driver's seat. Oh yeah, that was just falling. Yep, so see what I mean? Got absolutely shredded. I might just release this for the twin tornadoes thing. But yeah, I'm probably gonna do like a rematch of the first episode because this episode's kind of dull at the moment. Right. Wait, how much did I even need for certificate? Okay, 300k. I need 102k. Wait, no, I need 202. Wait, no, 102k. I was right. Well, I'm not simplifying. Wait, this might actually become dumb. Look at how it's dropping. Wait, we might be able to get to a bit of med. We're gonna watch a hit murderer for you guys. Damn it! Turn! I nearly missed that turning. Well, technically didn't, but this old car can still do like very off-roady type of things. So so it kind of can't intercept tornadoes, but it can still drive down dirt, horrible roads. I generally don't get it because it shows its age now. Whoa! My controls! Am I lagging or why did I stop? I'm actually flooring the gas pedal right now. Okay, this is so. Why is this? Is my controls fumbling? Red TBS! Yep, this might be a strong one, what we asked for. Oh, snap. I'm not gonna make it. I'm gonna have to. Drive! Okay, yeah, no. We're dropping it now. Nah. We won't fly. Winds. Trees going down. Nicole. Yeah, guys, I think we're gonna fly. This video is probably gonna get published now. Come on, hold. 129. 135. Right. Yeah, let's get the vehicle. Right, people say we actually got wafted. No, I drove into the field, okay? I drove into it to intercept this. So you can't say I'm a bad driver. It was smart because I still got some intercepting in the video. I'm gonna try and get it again. Try and get in front of it. Alright, alright guys, I'm sorry, but this time I am not taking the risk. I am not going to stop for again. Jeez, power flashes. Drive, Charlie. Come on, drive with this agent. Come on. This thing's coming. Look at the house! Oh, the house is being destroyed. Trees going down. Oh, I'm scared. Nah, no. 152 miles per hour. Yeah, this thing's gonna show its age. We're gonna fly. Well, I think so. How is these power lines going? Guys, we're making it. We might have just survived that. Some miracle. Alright, that house got nearly slapped. Alright. Right guys, we're gonna go try and get another intercept. Go slowly. Okay, this thing we do not want to mess with. See, this thing has got good suspension, but it's showing its age and intercepting. Like, see what I mean? The entire vehicle is shocking that strong ground tornado when it never used to. Guys, this is just good. I should keep doing this. I'm just going to keep grinding money. Oh, okay. Let's go for it. Because why not? I get money as well. Alright, well, whoever anyone saying take this road, I am not taking that road. It's already on the wall of doom. I'm not going to make that. I'm probably gonna head to Virgin. Try and intercept it over there. Yeah, guys, I think this video is actually gonna get published now. This has just we've actually got a strong tornado now on the edge of lock. So we're gonna hopefully try and wait for it to come. Oh, Jesus Christ, guys. Radon just nearly sent me into a tree. Well, that was my fault. Not gonna do on, to be fair. Alright, guys, we've kind of lost Asia. If this thing randomly appears out of the blue and wafts me, I am going to scream. I might actually go sit in the turf. It's down that direction. I'm squinting my eyes right now trying to see. I actually can't see it. On radar though, I can. Oh wait, I just saw it when I came off radar. It's weakening a bit. Oh, sirens! Bro, I need to see. No, I'm gonna try this one. This is really bugging me now. Wait, I can see the last edge of it. It's There is a newer tornado down south. Yeah, heading for the one down south. Well, guys, that was a pretty good intercept there. I'm actually that is actually the first alright strong tornado this thing has survived in a while. Alright, if I would have maybe got the core of it like I usually do, yeah, this thing probably would have at least got it thrown into the field or moved. It's on the power station, I think. I don't know where his thing is. I'm doing this completely blind, guys. Blind. It's like you just shoved the blindfold around me. Wait, no, turn. Okay, this. Wait, what? I don't even know where it is. I don't get this. I'm gonna try going down this road here. I can't see it, so I'm gonna try and maybe get an interceptor on this road here. Wait, what? Did I just see something? No, I don't think I did. I ain't seeing nothing. Why do we? Wait. How no? Okay, just like the left edge of it for like a split second. This thing is massive. Yeah, no. We are flipping this vehicle around. Let it strengthen a bit more as well. Why is my car not driving? Can you guys see it all? I can't see it now. Right, this is risky now. This thing has a very low visual where you can actually see it. I feel like where is it? I don't know. Guys, where is this thing, bro? Please tell me. There's a new tornado. Okay, so we can admit this. I think I don't even know where this one is. I might try and intercept this and then maybe I'm actually gonna try and go out to the field here. Like, I don't know where